Our cat is trying to drink the water from the sink, from the washing machine. Look at him. His name is Fiesty. He thinks that's pretty. Look, look. Can I get in there? Let me see if I can get another angle. Give me. I'm trying to do the laundry, and he thinks it's okay to try to suck the water. Look.
You could put him in there and just give him back. No, I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
Look. Can we see him? I can't tell. Hi, Fiesty. What are you doing? Is that what you're trying to do? Well, I can't even get my laundry done because I'm too busy watching him trying to catch the water and drink. Well, Fiesty, what do you have to say for yourself? It's not working? What do you think? Alright. You give up? You're going to keep trying. Well, we'll have to come back to the saga of the kitty in the washroom machine trying to get a drink. Sign off, Fiesty. You getting anything, baby boy?